Če si kliknila na tale video, potem verjetno razmišljaš o počitnicah in o letovanju v Antaliji. Začela si gledati ponudbe, spremljati hotele, pa ne veš med vso to bogato ponudbo, kje sploh začeti z načrtovanjem. Če je temu tako, si na pravem mestu, ker namreč v tem videu ti razkrivam, kako organizirati najlepše počitnice sebi, svojemu partnerju ali otrokom v antalijski regiji. Pripravi se na en kup koristnih informacij in nasvetov. Meni osebno je najljubši čas v mestu Antalija oziroma v celi tej regiji mesec junij. Dnevi so že dolgi, temperature so že zelo tople, tam okrog 30 stopinj je, tudi morje je toplo, cene so pa zelo ugodne. Zato priporočam junij ali pa september, ki je tudi izredno topel. Medtem ko oktober, če razmišljate oktobra o počitnicah, je že malenkost hladneje, tudi padavine se že začnejo in če imate otroke, bazeni niso ogrevani, tako da je malenkost bolj hladnejša voda. Medtem ko meseca julija ali avgusta je pa izredno vroče, visoka vlaga, pač zelo nasičeno ozračje, pa tudi cene so visoke. Vem, da nimate ene izbire, ampak torej junij in avgust so malenkost slabši meseci, kar se tiče samega ozračja. Če imate možnost, junij ali september. Antalija je velika, obsega več kot 20.700 kvadratnih kilometrov površine in to je, če si predstavljate, malenkost več kot cela Slovenija. In obsega več krajev. Verjetno ste že slišali za Kemer, Laro, Belek, Sidej in Alanjo. In vse to so kraji, ki spadajo pod antalijsko provinco. Skozi zadnja desetletja so se ti kraji izredno razvili in v vsakem izmed njih so se razvile počitniške vasice. In v teh počitniških vasicah so hoteli zrasli kot gobe po dežju, dobesedno. Spomnim se, ko sem še tukaj delala, da smo se s kolegi, preden smo začeli poletno sezono, šli naokrog in šteli tiste hotele. Kar je najpomembnejše tukaj pa je to, da si zapomnite, da ti hoteli niso vedno v centrih teh mest. Torej, če vam je pomembno, da imate aktivnosti, znamenitosti blizu in da ste radi pač ven iz hotela in greste malo naokrog, izberite hotel, ki je čim bolj v centru, v središču pač tega počitniškega kraja. Najlepše plaže so v Alani in v Sidah. Jaz se sedaj nahajam na Kleopatrini plaži v Alani, ki velja kot ena izmed najlepših v tem okrožju. Je iz peska, tako da res tukaj najdete ogromno ljudi, ogromno otrok, ki uživajo pač v vseh valovih v morju in v aktivnostih, ki se tukaj nahajajo. Poleti najdete tukaj odbojko, razne vodne športe in tako naprej. Ampak kaj je pomembno je to, da če ste v središču mesta Alanja, je, da imate v hotelu torej označeno številko tukaj na tej plaži. To pomeni, če se odpravite na to plažo, dobite te senčnike in pa ležalnike po malenkost ugodnejši ceni. Medtem ko, če se odpravite na katerikoli drugi konec, pa potem plačate malenkost več. Če ste v nastanjeni hotelu, ki je izven centra, v tistih večjih all-inclusive hotelih, pa imate potem zasebno plažo, ki je že vključena v sam vaš aranžma. I'm here today in Anavela Diamond Hotel and I'm here with my friend Natalie, who works as the guest relation manager. Actually, this hotel is one of my favorites because I've been working in the past years with the hotel and we always had very nice comments about it. So I wanted to speak today with you, Natalie, about the hotel. If you can introduce us the hotel a little bit. From a perspective, if someone comes to Turkey, to Alanya area, for the first time to their holidays, what can they expect in an all-inclusive hotel as 5-star?
So first of all, welcome. My name is Natalie. I'm the guest relation manager. Nice to see you again. So what can I say about our hotel? We are a 5-star hotel in the region of Inchikum, Antalya, Mediterranean coast. And yeah, what can I say? The hotel is a true diamond. So the name explains it everything. Because we have one of the best beaches. It's really fine sand, there's flat entrance into the sea. So here you can find everything actually. You can find very friendly staff, very nice food. All inclusive is very good if you're looking for plenty of food, for a big buffet. You can find everything, you can eat and drink 24 hours.
And if you are speaking about the food,
yes.
Food is very famous in Turkey, as you know. Everyone likes, to eat, to cook, and perhaps, sometimes you can have perception that the food will be very Turkish, which is not the case, right? I mean, you have a lot of varieties.
No, of course, our kitchen team tries their best to combine the European and the Turkish cuisine with each other. But it's of course also based for the European taste. And we have like 3 nights, like 3 nights in the week. We have like seafood night, Turkish night, and Italian night. So
nice.
yesterday we had a gala dinner. You could find a special Turkish food, kebab, çiğ köfte.
And there is also a spa center here, right?
Yes, people can fully relax in the spa center. Also, they can use the hammam. Hammam is like very famous Turkish bath. They make some peeling and scrubbing and oil massage, and they must try it.
Right. And is the spa or hammam, as you call it, is it included into the all-inclusive concept?
No, you can just use the hammam itself, but the treatments, they are extra charge.
Exactly. And if we now speak about the all-inclusive system, like let's say that it may, like in the majority, you have all services included, but there are some extra things that, of course, if you wish, you can try it, right? One of these is hammam. Is there anything else?
Well, all massage applications and also the safety box in the room, like €2 per day. You can rent it from the reception. Mm-hmm. And also we have the Wi-Fi extra. It's like €1 per day per device. Like some small things can be extra, so you should read carefully your travel description.
Right.
To not be disappointed.
Of course,
yes.
But other things are fully included.
Yes, the food, the drinks, the local alcohol, the non-alcoholic drinks are included. So, yeah.
That's great. And it's actually a very nice hotel for families, especially because you also have a large pool outside, you have a slides, and you have animation as well, right?
Yes, we have like soft animation. They're working 6 days per week. We have a mini club, a mini disco, so they can fully enjoy their time with us. And also, it's really great for families with children because the hotel itself is very compact with short bays. Exactly. So you cannot lose your children. You are always on the safe side to have them within view.
Within the complex.
Yes.
Yeah. That's great, actually. And the hotel is located, as you mentioned, on a very nice beach, one of my favorites, to be honest.
One of the best beaches in the Mediterranean, at the Mediterranean coast.
Exactly, and it's pretty close to Alanya area, Alanya city as well.
Only 27 kilometers, you can easily catch the Dolmusch. It's there like coming every 15 minutes. You just wave your hand, give them a sign, and you can stop everywhere. It's pretty easy to travel around, and also cheap way.
And one last thing, so when the season starts, when it ends, and perhaps a comparison between the 5-star Diamond Hotel and the sister hotel Park, Annabella Park, which is 4-star.
Yes, so mainly we open 1st of April till 20th of November, so we're not open all season. And we have a sister hotel, Annabella Park Hotel. It's opposite the road, like 250 meters from here. So the guests, they can use all facilities of Annabella Diamond Hotel except the main restaurant.
So they have to eat in that
Annabella Park Hotel, it has like only 95 rooms. It's really a small hotel, but located in the green forest, so you can fully relax there. You can hear the birds singing in the morning when you wake up. So you really calm down, and it's very small and pretty hotel.
Right. And what's the biggest difference between, let's say, the 5-star Diamond
and the 4-star Annabella Park Hotel?
Yeah.
But the main difference is the price, definitely, because you pay like half price for Annabella Park Hotel, but you can use the 5-star facility. So it's actually a great deal. So the only issue you might have is the walking distance. So for elder people it might be problematic. So I would recommend them to stay rather at the Diamond Hotel. But it's good for young people or for couples who have maybe a small budget. Yeah.
And there is actually underground pass.
There's an underground pass. You can reach the other side of the road very easy.
Exactly. Perfect.
Ben rezervasyon departmanında çalışıyorum. Yaklaşık 2 yıldır buradayım. Otelde şu şekilde tanıtayım. 229 odamız var toplamda. 129 tane deniz manzaralı, 93 tane kara manzaralı odamız var. Ve her katta da aile odamız var. 7 katlı, 7 tane aile odamız var dolayısıyla. 2 tane handikap var, 1006 ve 1007, yani birinci katta yer alıyor.
Nereden müşteriniz geliyor en çok?
Çoğunlukla Alman alıyoruz. Balkan, Baltık, ya da vedeti pazarından.
Bir şey soracağım. Yani sezon boyunca kaç oda Slovenyalılara veriyorsunuz?
Sezon boyunca 228 tane Sloven odamız var.
Teşekkür ederim.
Ben teşekkür ederim.
Ve iyi çalışmalar.
Teşekkür ederim size de.
Kar se rezervacije tiče, se vam najprej splača pogledati aranžmaje iz turističnih agencij iz Avstrije, ker namreč avstrijske agencije imajo ponovadi zelo ugodne aranžmaje, ker imajo zelo bogato ponudbo. Še boljše pa je, recimo, če si rezervirate letalsko karto posebej prevoznika, ki leti direktno v Antalijo, to je ponavadi Sun Express. Zdaj pogledate si lahko na njihovi spletni strani, odkot leti bližnja letališča, in potem posebej rezervirate hotel oziroma sobo v hotelu preko teh omenjenih avstrijskih agencij ali preko seveda slovenskih ponudnikov. Zdaj, kar se tiče slovenskih ponudnikov, so organizatorji počitnic Palma, Relax in pa Kompas. Vse ostalo so posredniki, ki potem prodajajo sobe teh omenjenih agencij. Tako da splača se nam torej pogledati preko različnih ponudnikov, katere hotele ponujajo in kakšne so sobe in seveda cene, ki so na voljo, ker cene so različne od agencije do agencije, odvisno od tega, kako močnega ima potem svojega partnerja tukaj na destinaciji. Če se ti porodi še kakršnokoli vprašanje, če te zanima dotičen hotel ali karkoli drugega, vabljena oziroma vabljen, da mi spodaj v komentarjih sporočiš tvoje vprašanje in odgovorim ti iz prvega roka. Hvala za ogled in se vidimo v naslednjem videu.